is a wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a contact review. This is from Mislens. I believe the shipping didn't take long, and I'm just gonna show you guys how the package looks. So this is how it came, alright, and then I'm gonna take out and show you guys what came inside. So all these are soft lenses. This one I believe is called Honey, and this is the packaging. Cute packaging. Mia green. Next contact is Topazio. Next one is called Ice. Russian gray. We get 5 lens cases. I want to tell you guys about this event that they have going on. They have a try event. So it's basically you go to their website, right? So they have on their website like different options, and you're getting it for free. Okay, for free guys, for free. You get the option for daily gray lens to get for free, daily blue. They have an option where you pay $19.99 to get 3 pairs, but it's a mystery, so you don't get to choose the 3 pairs. They are sending you 3 pairs, and you'll only see what you get when you get your package. And they have another have a try yearly, would be like 5 pairs. You get a mystery box, like a mystery box, so you wouldn't know what contacts they're gonna put in the box for you, and the price for that is $29.99. And then they have a yearly where you get 10 pairs valued, which is valued over $200, but you pay $39.99 for the 10 pairs. So I find that event is really nice, especially if you've never tried contact lenses before and you want to try contact lenses. It's perfect because you're getting it for free. I've never had companies do that. That is so cool. Props to them for that. So now I'm just gonna allow you guys to see my natural eyes close up. So you can better see my eye color, and we're gonna go straight into these contacts reviews, guys. So first one, I think I'm gonna try Ice, come back and show you guys. Okay guys, so these contacts are called Ice, and I don't know, I mean, it is perfect if you're gonna do something like exotic or cosplay or something like that, but this is something I won't wear personally out. Yeah, they're a little blurry on my eyes though. Okay, so I'm gonna do Topazio next and come back. This one is called Topazio. Wow, this is blue, very blue. It's giving me mermaid vibes. So the next color I'm gonna be trying would be Mia green, and let's get that. Okay, so this is Mia green, and this green is a very, it's a fake kind of green. It's a very rich green, like it gives nymph nature girl. Like, it doesn't look natural to me. I'm gonna zoom in and allow you guys to see what I mean about the color. I'm not sure if this camera will kind of get it. Russian gray and get right back. So I'm back. Color that I have on is Russian gray. It's a kind of natural gray. I like this gray because it has like a darker ring on the inside, and in the middle it's kind of a very lightish, kind of blotchy, would I say gray? But overall it kind of gives me like a greenish color, I must say. So from a distance, and last color I got for you guys would be honey. Okay guys, so this is the this is the last one called honey. Obviously you guys can tell this contact is very fake. It looks more like it could be a vampire type contacts, like what those vampires were in the movies. It's definitely not natural. Looks very orangish and hints of red in it. So from a distance, now zoomed in, I think you guys could see the color. I mean, it's pretty, but it's not natural. If this is something that you're looking for, I mean, yeah. But this is the last of the contacts called honey, and I just want to end this video by saying thank you, Mislens, for sending me these contacts. Really enjoyed doing this review. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys.